Hello and welcome to today's video. It's a bookshelf styling kind of day. So first I removed all of my items from my bookshelf. And these are the items I will be using to restyle my shelves on today. Just leave me a comment below and say, me too, if you love all things ginger jars and chinoiserie ginger jars. Painting was not necessarily on my mind, but when I looked at some of my shelves, I decided, listen, while I'm here, and it's 82 degrees here in South Carolina, put the window up and just start painting. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. And if you're new here, welcome and thanks for stopping by today's video. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. To decorate my bookshelves, I use the 4L method. What is the 4L method? I'm so glad you asked. Use items you love, things that make you happy, things that are unique, and items that are personal to you and your family. Secondly, use items with luster. That's items that have sheen, gloss, brightness, radiance, and have a reflective surface. Metal objects and glass are two great examples. The third L is living a lifelike accessories. Real plants are faux plants for those without a green thumb. The fourth L is layering, giving balance and form to your design. You want to add large items first, tall items near the back, smaller items near the front. This will give you fullness, depth, and dimension. I always start putting items on the shelf. I step back, look at it, and sometimes, well, most of the time, I change my design before it's final. So keep watching, because where things start, not necessarily where they end up. So did you hear the good news? You did? Well, if you didn't, the good news is I've reached over 300 subscribers. Woo! And I'm so excited. So listen, down in the comment section below, I told you I'm excited. Down in the comment section below, write Ross or Home Goods. I have to decide where the gift card will be purchased. So down below, put Ross if you're Team Ross, or Home Goods if you're Team Home Goods. At the end of this video, I'll give you more announcements about how I will choose a winner. But over 300! Woohoo! Yay me! So in between my two bookshelves is my fireplace. So now I'm going to style that as well. And of course, more ginger jars. So if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Using the triangle method on top of my fireplace. Just keep watching and see how it comes out. coconut is another personalized and unique feature. My parents picked this up over 50 years ago on the side of the road on a trip to Florida. Thanks for watching, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So about the gift card, you must be an active subscriber on my channel, which simply means you like, you comment, and you share my videos. In the comment section below, simply put, I want to win. A winner will be selected on Monday, March the 14th. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. See you in my next video.